Good morning. So for the tenure discussion, I teach in Missouri, and Missouri is a state that recognizes tenure. Basically, in a nutshell, you have to teach 5 years consecutively in a school district, and the beginning of your 6th year, you get tenure. The school district cannot decide who gets tenure. It just happens, and they don't get to decide early or award it early. If you're a teacher and you're employed full-time in another district for at least consecutively 2 years, you can have one of those years knocked off. Let's see. Tenure teachers don't necessarily have to sign a contract, but some school districts still issue new contracts every year. And basically, they do that as a letter of intent. And they do that with changes of salary, length, beginning date, any changes that need to be done to contracts. So that's kind of just a perk. Tenure teachers also have till June 1st to give notice whether they will be returning or not, according to Missouri tenure law. So they have that kind of perk. Tenure teacher can terminate, or they can have their employment terminated. If they they've done like immoral conduct. They've have like a physical or mental condition that makes them unfit to be around children. Excessive or unreasonable absences, felony, incompetence, insubordination. But school districts can usually fit those things into one of those. But there is a process that can be done, a hearing with school board, things like that. I teach in a small district, and I talk to our superintendent about what our board policy says as far as evaluation of certified teachers. So during that 5-year probationary period, we are evaluated 3 times a year and then given a summative before April 1st, and our contracts come due, or are given out in probationary teacher. And you do that every year until you get tenured. Then as a tenure teacher, you're actually only evaluated once every 3 years, which is what it is. However, our principal does flybys, and you get evaluated, just kind of in and out. So it's kind of how that rolls for us.